I'm OG. Oh my god!
So if you're a gamer and you play graphics intensive games like PUBG New State, BGMI, Free Fire or Call of Duty and you find lot of lags while playing the game on your phone, even if your phone has 4 gigs or even you have a low end device like 3 gigs or 2 gigs and you want to fix these lag issues, right? So watch this video until the end. With that said, let's get started. The application we are going to use today is T-Boost. It's available on Play Store. By the way, join my Telegram channel. You can directly download some APK files. Just search for Asthik Raghav on Telegram and join the group for more apps and updates. First, just open this app and you'll find a clean UI. Over here, it will add some games installed on your phone right away. So just enable this setting for 60 FPS. This is actually a beta but it works. Then toggle on the fixed lags and also auto brightness. So because when you play games at high brightness, the phone will overheat and the performance will drain. So you can tap this for boosting the performance for every 15 minutes if you play games for hours. By the way, I started a gaming channel where I upload Free Fire clips. Do check it out. Link is in the description box. So that's it for now. If the lag issues are solved, then give this video a like and subscribe down below. And I will meet you in the next one. Till then, this is Asthik Raghav signing out and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.